friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on with the Lenovo's new smartwatch called Lenovo Carme. So this is a new smartwatch announced by Lenovo in India. The pricing is 3499. Now we'll analyze what are the features it offers and what all features this smartwatch offers when compared to the competition. So let's see all those things in this video. First, let's have a look at the unboxing. So this is the box package. You can see the Lenovo smartwatch and the name is mentioned here. Lenovo Carme is the name, and you can see how the smartwatch looks, and you can see the features also mentioned here. The model name mentioned, power output is 5 volt 0.1 ampere, battery capacity is 215 mAh, and color is green color. There is also black color available, Bluetooth 4.2, and you can also see that additional options included. So we have the green color Lenovo Smartwatch Carme. So that's the box package, and the box mentions the pricing as 4999, but limited time offer, the pricing is mentioned as 3499. So that's the Lenovo Smartwatch box. So let's open this box package. You can see another box here, so let's just take this out here. So there you go. So let's just take this out, and there you go, you can see the smartwatch. So taking this out, then let's see what all comes inside the box package. You can see this manual HW25 is the code name for the smartwatch. So smartwatch Carme user manual is mentioned here, so everything is mentioned here. So layout and all those things, how to pair it with the smartwatch app is also mentioned. So Lenovo Life is the app mentioned. It's available on the Play Store as well as App Store, so you can download it from there. Now let's take the smartwatch out. So this is the smartwatch, and you can see this has a 1.3 inches color display, and you can see buttons here. This is the button and the heart rate sensor at the bottom. This is the charging dock. It's a proprietary charging dock. You can connect that to USB slot. You can also remove the straps here. There is an option to remove the strap. So this is the HR sensor, and you also get these buttons here, and the touch button is at the front panel. So once you enable this is how you can navigate. So that will come in a while. So this strap looks quite good, and this is sturdy build. You can see this is a metal construction. It's a sturdy build, and the strap looks quite sturdy as well. It's made of a high quality rubber like material, and you get these two buttons here to navigate, and this is the thickness of the watch, and this is the proprietary charging mechanism to charge the watch. Now let's see how and what are the features it offers. So let's go to the main screen. So this is the main screen, and if you just tap on it, you get the steps counter. The steps shows the calories burned and the distance walked, and next screen is the sleep monitor. So if you go to the sleep monitor, you can see that the time you slept, the time you wake up, all these things are mentioned here. So next you can see the heart rate sensor. So long press to measure it. So just push here, and you can see now it's measuring the heart rate sensor. So that's how it measures. So then you can see the heart rate. Then you get the training mode. You can beats per minute and calories burned. That's a training mode available. Then next is messaging, a long push to look. So just here, so you can also see the messages here. Then you can connect this watch to the smartphone. So we'll talk about that in a while. Then you get other options. So just press here, back, then you can see there is a style to customize. Switch style, just press to make it to style 2. That's another option. So we are just switched to the new style. So there you go, this is another style for the watch face. So you cannot have custom watch faces, only a few of them are available. So that's how you can switch to watch faces. Then let's see other options. There you go, you can connect to smartphone. Then this is the style we talked. Then stopwatch is there, mute functionality is there. Then you get the reset and power off option. Then you can also control the brightness. So this is how you can control the brightness, and when you come back, you can see this is the option. So these are the options available. Then it also has this heart rate sensor and sleep tracker. Now let's just pair this smartwatch to a smartphone and show you the features. So once you have set up the device, you can just pair it with the Lenovo Life app. As I said before, it's available on the Play Store and iOS Store. You can actually create your profile, and there is also sports mode available, walking, riding, climbing, and all those things included. And you can also see the basic steps taken. So these things are included in the app, and you can see your profile, you can set your weight and all those things. And you can also get notifications on this smartwatch. You can get notifications for calls and messages, but since this does not have a microphone or speaker, you have to use this smartphone to actually pick up the call. But you can get notified whenever there is any calls happening on your smartphone. You get notified. There is also option to notify for messages, so that things can be customized here. So these are the options included in the smartwatch, and you can do basic customizations as well. So Lenovo Smartwatch Carme provides all the basic functions like heart rate sensor, steps taken, calories burned, sleep monitor, basic functions and customizations including changing the watch face. So basic watch faces are included here. You can also do a bit of customization with the basic options. So this is the style included, so there is another style included, so switch the style. Now if you go back, you can see the third style in action. So this is another style. So these are the options included in the Lenovo Smartwatch Carme, and this is having a battery life of around 1 to 3 days based on how much you use. So 1 day is easily gettable, but then if you use a lot of notifications and calls monitoring using your smartwatch, then you might not get 3 days, but 1 to 3 days is what claimed battery life on this smartwatch. So looking at the specifications, once again it has a 1.3-inch IPS colorful display, IP68 water and rust resistant. That's something which is pretty good. Bluetooth version 4.2, 24-hour heart rate monitor, sleep and activity monitor, then 2.5D curved surface design, and 200 mAh battery included. Supports Android 5.0 and Android iOS 9.0 and above. It comes in two colors, black and green color. The MRP is mentioned as 4,999, but the selling price right now is 3,499, and it should be available on Flipkart pretty soon. So that's the Lenovo Smartwatch Carme unboxing and hands-on now, and this has some pretty basic functions, and looks quite a good smartwatch in terms of the features being offered. But then price is slightly on the high side. We feel 3,499 for some basic functions. It's more or less like the fitness trackers, which is slightly bigger display. That's the display. So that's the Lenovo Smartwatch Carme. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is Normal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.